you. Our group members are Jenny, Sherry, Eric, Jeffrey, and Danny. And Jenny is going to talk about human factors. Sherry is going to talk about manufacturing process. Eric is going to talk about database design, and Jeffrey is going to talk about management. And Danny is going to talk about engineering graphics. My name is Jenny, and I'm going to talk about what is human factor. First, my main points are first, introduction, second, course content, third, career development, and last, summary of 3 points. First, I'm going to introduce what is human factor. Human factor is to study the interaction between the human, machine, and environment. And the research purpose is to improve the efficiency, safety, and health in production. Second, I'm going to talk about the course content. In the class, we use different experimental measurements to learn lots of analytical methods and computer skills. And last, we have to sort out the evaluation data. And third, the career development. In the course, you may find lots of work like institution engineer, fashion designer, and nursing staff, and safety and health manager. And the last of my 3 points, and make a recommendation. First, introduction, second, course content, and third, career development. Therefore, I recommend everyone to learn this class because this class can help you improve our computer and analyze ability. And do you have any questions?
Yes. Can you tell me again about the 3 elements that are combined in this human factors? Human factors, we talk about 3 things, right?
The environment and its environment and machine and human.
So, which is the most important?
I think it's human because the course is, the main point we learn this course is that the human can more comfort and to find out the way we can improve the way to do better.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sharon, and I'm here to talk about manufacturing process. The end of my presentation is that everyone knows what is the manufacturing process. My main point is first is introduction, second is course content, third is career development, and the last is summary of 3 points. First, I would like to talk about introduction. This picture is textbook for this class. I divided into 3 parts. Now for my second point, I want to talk about course content. These courses are in the manufacturing process. These courses are all related to material and technology show the all more popular careers I thought. If you want to engage in the factory in the future, you must learn this class. Next, I want to talk about summary of 3 points. First is factory, second is life, third is engineering. I recommend that people in employee-related occupation should be studying in this class. My report is over. Would anyone like to ask any question?
You mentioned about traditional technology and modern technology. Right. In the course content. In the course content, you study modern technology and traditional technology. So can you tell me very simply what is the differences between modern technology and traditional technology?
Traditional technology, like your hands make now. Modern technology like internet.
Internet.
Yeah, internet.
You mean internet?
Yeah.
Okay. So your hand is a traditional technology. You use your hand. And then for modern, you use the internet. You mean computer?
Computer or cell phone and
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
从现在开始。Good morning, everyone. My name is Eric. I'm here to talk about what is beta test design. My main points are: one is introduction, two is course content, third is career development. And at the end of the talk, I'm happy to answer your question. My first is intro. I talk about what is beta design. And we able to understand the basic principle architecture of the base task system and understand the concept of a relation data model. Also, we can learn the design skills of structural query language. For my second point, I want to talk about course content, the course content in this subject. The study of the course is dividing into 4 elements: SQL programming language, database design, system analysis, and integration. And last point, I want to talk about career development. If you are interested in the work of the database design, you can find the related work. One is software design manager and system maintenance staff, network manager engineer, and Internet of Things engineer. Let me summarize and make a recommendation. One is introduction, and second is course content, and last is career development. Therefore, I recommend that if everyone can learn this course to make a computer skills. Do you have any question?
Can you tell me again about the job opportunity? What can you be doing in the future? Your career opportunities.
Career
Yeah.
opportunity.
What can you do in the future? What job? What kinds of job can you do?
do 嘛，他们做什么？
Yes, right.
将资料做整理，这样子，对，然后把资料做简化，然后。
Actually, you talked about a lot of job positions. You can be engineers, right? Different kinds of software engineers, or we talked about a lot of engineers.
他们做的很广，可以对非常广，
Okay.
就这个资料库设计。Thank you, teacher.
Hello everyone, my name is Aaron, and I would like to talk about management.
Sorry, Jeffrey.
Jeffrey, sorry， 老师我改过名字。用了旧的，快点，好，下一页。My main point first is introduct, second course content, third career development, and I like to answer your question at the end. First, I want to talk about management. Management has 4 important points: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. And the picture is management's textbook. Now, for second point, I would like to talk about course content. In this course, we learn lots of theory. For example, two-factor theory. It includes hygiene factor and motivating factor. Third, career development. This course is very wide. It uses personal management, sales manager, production manager, and production line engineer. Let me summarize. And recommendation 3 important points. First, introduction. Second, course content. Third, career development. Therefore, I recommend everyone learn this course. It can Thank you, everyone.
Sorry.
Anyone have any question?
What is two-factor theory?
Is a theory, and they have another name is hygiene motivating theory, and it includes hygiene factor and motivating factor. Yes.
Hygiene and motivation.
对，那个
Yeah.
保健激励因子。
Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Martin，一个球礼拜好。
Good morning and welcome. My name is Danny. I'm here to talk about engineering graphics. The end of my presentation is to introduce engineering graphics. My main points are: first, introduction; second, course content; and third, career development. At the end of my talk, I'll be happy to answer your question. First, I would like to talk about introduction. Graphic is a science that uses pictures and symbols to express. Graphic language is to transfer ideas and exchange knowledge, and the purpose of is to make learners have ability to recognize pictures. For my second point, I want to talk about course content. The key point of course content is combination of engineering practice, graphical theory, and software tools. Is in order to deal with computer-aided design and drawing in the new generation. For my last point, I want to talk about career development. If you are interested in engineering graphics and you want to develop in this direction, the following occupation that you can take for reference. There are engineering designer, architect, and interior designer. Let me summarize and make a recommendation. I mentioned 3 points. First, introduction. Second, course content. And third, career development. Therefore, I recommend that you should learn this course well, because it can make you learn many knowledges. And my presentation is finished. Would anyone like to ask any questions?
Yes, you mentioned three possible jobs.
Hey,
Right.
yes.
So which is the most interesting to you? And why? Don't tell me you forgot.
Actually, I'm not good at drawing, and I don't want to. So I will not choose this.
Yeah, I know. You won't choose any of this, but my question is, which is more interesting to you? You don't have to choose them, right?
Oh.
Which is interesting
Architect.
to be an architect?
Yes.
Why?
Why? Because it needs more creation. That's all.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for listening.
Okay, group A.